if you are considering to undergo a cosmetic surgery or a cosmetic treatment, one decision is more important than the surgery itself: to choose the right doctor and to choose the right clinic. Hello, I'm Dr. Smriti Nathani, plastic and cosmetic surgeon, practicing at Kamira Plastic Surgery, Chennai. In today's world, the cosmetic industry is highly unregulated. The desire of doing the cosmetic surgery has increased. The awareness about the cosmetic procedures have increased. But one awareness which is still to be increased is the awareness to go to a right clinic and the right doctor. There are so many unqualified, there are so many unregulated practices undergoing, and so are the unsatisfied patients and also unsafe, unethical procedures leading to more and more complications, and patients are getting those complications on themselves and not knowing what to do. There are some red flags which you should and must see if you are considering a cosmetic surgery more than what the surgery itself is. So let me tell you a few red flags. There are some fake clinics and some so-called doctors who pose themselves as a cosmetic surgeon, and they tell you that they will do the surgery. But how do they tell you that they will do the surgery? There are some things which you can spot right away. They will be offering you very highly discounted prices. They will be luring you by this discount, that discount, you book it today. They will be hurrying you into booking the procedure. If you book it today, we will give you that much of discount. Don't fall for these traps. They can be harmful and dangerous. Sometimes there is little or no consultation. There will be no doctor available. You will be told that from the basically a receptionist or a front office person that doctor will be doing the surgery, but I will be taking the history. That is again one red flag. Always see your doctor. A qualified plastic surgeon or a qualified doctor does the consultation themselves. They don't depend upon the consultation done by a physician assistant or by a receptionist. We always do our consultation ourselves to understand you, your needs, and to also understand how we can plan the surgery for you. Fourth red flag: I am seeing you, but some other doctor will come and do the surgery. This is definitely an unqualified person who is posing as so-called some doctor, who will say that I will only consult you, I will understand your needs, but there will be a specialist flying out from other city to do the surgery. The one who is speaking to you is not a doctor, and some ghost surgeon doing your surgery is never a good idea. You never know who is operating on you. Is he or she a surgeon or not? So stay away from these promises. Talking about the promises, high-fi promises of 100% good results. That is again a very big red flag. No surgery comes without complication. It can be a small or a big complication, but every surgery is associated with a complication. If somebody is telling you there's a zero complication, maybe they are trapping you into a surgery which you will regret later. 100% perfect and positive results. No, the 100% positive results, ideal result does not exist, because the results of the surgery is always subjective also. What is 100% good for me may not be 100% correct for you. So these kind of promises are never made by a qualified plastic surgeons or cosmetic surgery experts. These are few red flags which you can find out at the time of talking or searching a clinic. Apart from that, there is something you can do from your side. Very humbly, I would say that we don't get offended if you ask about our degrees or research us on social media. So we will be happy that we are sitting across a well-informed patient. So always do research for a doctor and the clinic before you come to us. If you have any questions, ask us directly. It never offends any doctor, any of the surgeons, that you are trying to be more informed. In fact, we are happy that you are not going to quacks and taking a well-informed decision. Taking a second or the third opinion doesn't hurt anyone. Be always sure. If you have gone to a doctor and you are not sure the doctor is right or wrong or maybe a poser, take another opinion from somebody else. Maybe that will give you some clarity in that topic. At last, I would say any surgery, small or big, is about your body. So don't play with your life just because somebody is offering you some cheap procedure. Always go to a authentic and qualified and certified doctor and get your surgeries done there.